Around 7.7 billion people in the world have one thing in common. The thing that makes us think, feel, hope, heal. Makes us human. Weighing just 1.5 kgs, having the ability to process 400 billion bits of information in 1 second. The hotspot hub of all things rational and emotional, factual and fictional. This is our motherboard, our brain. Presenting Fit and Fast, Fuel Your Brain.
Welcome to Fit and Fast, the healthy hub to fuel your brain. And here is your brain teaser for the day. Look at the picture and answer the question. Your time starts now. Can you guess what is written on his face? If you guessed it correctly, you are really smart. डे टू डे में हमें बहुत सारे डिसीजंस लेने होते हैं कि कौन सी ट्रेन पकड़ूं, कौन से रेस्टोरेंट में जाऊं, क्या खाना है, क्या पहनना है, सैमन है, फिश है, समझ ही नहीं आ रहा। बट आपको कौन से डिसीजंस लेने में प्रॉब्लम होती है? चलो चेक करते हैं एक बार।
I think सुबह उठते हैं तो like what to wear and come to college and like a lot of things.
About what to eat when you don't know the situation that well.
Coming to Mumbai was a decision and choosing my career here.
Fitness. I used to be a fat blob, but fitness just changed my life.
Those were some interesting reactions, weren't they? Yeah, in everyday life, decision making definitely has a stronger connection with your brain. Huh? To decode this connection, I'm gonna call Dr. Sankalp. Hey Doc, how's it going?
Good, Risham. I'm doing good. How are you?
All good, Doc. Looking fit. I understand that decision making or brain ka connection hai, but how does it all work, yeah? Can you please explain it to us?
This is linked to the frontal lobe, the front part of the frontal lobe, which is called the prefrontal cortex. Other areas of the brain like basal ganglia are also important. One thing important to know is that immediate memory is also required.
Thank you, Doc. Thank you for clarifying that for us. But I'm still deciding what to make, so I'm gonna head to the kitchen now.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
यार डॉक्टर ने अच्छा ज्ञान दिया आज। मेरी ना डिसीजन मेकिंग थोड़ी सी बेटर हो गई है। That's why I've made a brilliant decision of cooking with bacon today, which is our superfood. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, so goddamn tasty. And we're gonna pair it with peanut butter, blueberries, maple, sugar, toast. It works. So first up, we're gonna start to caramelize the sugar very, very nicely. Butter, it goes in. And next goes sugar, just tiny, tiny bit. Because you're gonna add maple also, you don't want it to be super sweet. Yeah, it's just starting to caramelize now. And I will go in with the bacon now. Just look at this slice. It's got a perfect mix of fat and then that beautiful marbling and then some more meat. Fat is actually called liquid gold. There is so much you can do with bacon fat. That sizzle, that smell, that saltiness. What you want to do, you want to start off a little slow and try and render the fat. So all the fat kind of sticks down. And we're going to glaze that fat with more bread and more blueberries. Now we'll give it a nice turn. It starts to caramelize. Go in with my maple just to give it that perfect caramelization and perfect sweetness. And I'm going to let this cook very, very nicely. Till the time, we're going to slice the bread. Just a very, very thin slice I'm going to take with this one. Just look at that color. It's so pretty. Just look at all the fat and the sugar and the butter. This is your perfect guilty pleasure. So the bacon comes out. Very nicely here. Just look at that color. Oh my Lord. Jesus. That'll be the perfect sticky bite. Biting into gold. That's what it's called. There we go. Look at that. And I'm gonna take off all the juices from the pan with a squeeze of lemon. And all these juices, all the sugar, the maple, everything comes off. And the whole thing is gonna sit on top of my bacon. All the sugar that's still in the pan, I am going to take it off with my bread. That comes out, now the bread. And to make this breakfast the perfect one, I'm gonna add a good chunk of peanut butter. There we go. I'll just sit right there. We'll go back. And finally, I am going to finish off a few blueberries. The final chefy trick, we have a good chunk of icing sugar. Guys, doctor helped me make a very good decision. And I'm helping you make a very good decision. This is the perfect breakfast. I'm gonna have it now. Take a quick recap and come back.
Take a pan, add butter, brown sugar and let it melt. Now add bacon strips and maple syrup. Let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Cut the sourdough bread into slices. Remove the bacon from the pan. Squeeze half a lemon and now pour it on the bacon. Meanwhile, roast the sourdough bread slices. Serve the roasted sourdough bread with bacon and peanut butter and garnish with blueberries and icing sugar.
Should we take a break or no? We should not take a break. Nahi yaar, it's a very easy decision. Let's take a break. Come back, you're watching Fit and Fast, fuel your brain.